there an exit over there? No.
No, you have to go back out the way you came in.
You'd think I would know after driving past it 800 times.
That's the only exit there is.
It's probably better that way. I trust that was a picture of a cinnamon roll.
I hope it was.
The alert there for my phone. That sounded like, do you have cinnamon rolls? Typical alert that I get. CTR Motors of Utah. Don't say.
That's an interesting.
Yeah, I'm sure that's not an accident. There's a drone. Should I hit it?
Yeah.
I thought about changing lanes just so I couldn't hit it.
No kidding.
In fact, I should have. That would have been a great video.
No kidding.
Damn it. Let's go back. Turn around.
Who the heck is flying it?
I don't know, but
What's up with these?
well, that one's a flat tire.
Yeah. Why do you sit a drone in the middle of the street like that?
Because you're an idiot. Well, this one
there is that.
too. Well, then I guess you better get gas over at the other Maverick where it was still 226.
Yeah.
Actually, the more I think about it, I really missed my opportunity. I've wanted to hit one of those in some way ever since they come out. Dang it.
Sorry.
I totally had plenty of time. I knew what it was before I even said anything.
But what would it have done to your windshield?
I don't know.
Hopefully nothing.
Wasn't going that fast.
Guess it depends on what it's made of and how much weight it had.
Yeah. I mean, if you were that heavy, it wouldn't fly, right?
True.
Just put my window down and tried to grab it.
That would have been funny, actually. We're doing that kind of stuff in school.
I'm going to have to start carrying the butterfly nets with me.
It's actually not a bad idea. I've actually thought about building my own drone. Yeah, there's a out by the, if you go out 2300
Okay.
towards,